So when you put, this pricing, and by the way, I have like Excel and calculator special document which helping people to calculate possible expenses. So people really can get better lifestyle in Mexico on social security or some savings, because when I look at our Canadian like basket price, so just even minimum person with pension, even with pension plan and saving, hardly can kind of feel comfortable. In Mexico, for the same money, so speaking about the social security or CPP, in Canada plus saving, you really can afford much more, and even help at home. And many, I know, retirees can afford the help, because to get a helper, it's really not expensive in Mexico, and they're really doing a good job. I mean, to have somebody to help you with landscaping or some work at home, it's very affordable.